An inmate dies while locked up.
This kid got a death sentence for basically a prank.
Now his family is on the receiving end of $1 million payout, and taxpayers are the ones who will foot the bill. And that money for that payout being worked into the Department of Corrections budget for next year.
The inmate, Joshua England, died on the floor of his cell from appendicitis back in 2018. His family is suing, saying England did not get the help he needed. News 4's Adria Goins joins us now with details. Adria.
Jolene, Joshua England was 21 and serving a short prison sentence for arson when he died. His family claims the Oklahoma Department of Corrections did little to help him for days after his appendix ruptured.
Ayes have it, the resolution is adopted.
The settlement worth $1,050,000 moving forward Tuesday, going before Senate lawmakers for approval.
Oklahoma statutes require any settlement over $250,000 be approved by the legislature.
England's mother sued the Oklahoma Department of Corrections after his 2018 death inside the Joseph Harp Correctional Center in Lexington. Court documents show England's appendix burst, and he begged prison staff for help 5 separate times over 7 days. The lawsuit says England was doubled over in pain, could barely breathe, and was spitting up blood. News 4 spoke to the family's attorney in 2019 when they filed the lawsuit, saying all England was offered was laxatives and Pepto-Bismol.
We lock up too many people in Oklahoma. We can't afford to provide them even minimal standards of care that you or I would provide to our golden retriever.
Court records also show prison staff falsified medical records to attempt to cover up their shocking misconduct. On the Senate floor, lawmakers questioned how these situations can be avoided.
Do we know if there are going to be corrective actions taken to avoid this type of situation in the future?
I have spoken to members of my caucus, the chair of public safety and the chair of the Public Safety and Judiciary Subcommittee, to make sure there's accountability in this matter.
Attorneys for the family telling News 4 in a statement, quote, if the state of Oklahoma is intent on locking up so many of its citizens for nonviolent offenses, the state needs to devote far more resources and attention to its correctional system to fulfill its constitutional obligation to provide basic medical care for people in its custody.
News 4 reached out to the Department of Corrections and asked if the staff involved in England's care was still working for the prison and what steps have been taken to prevent this from happening again. We have yet to get a response.